Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at the Litecoin chart. Litecoin is currently on its way into a trading area, so we want to take a look at the updated chart. Let's go. We are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description. It's completely for free to register if you want to stay informed about different asset classes. I think it's a no-brainer. As I said, it's completely for free. But today we take a look at the Litecoin chart. So whether you've registered or not, you get informed here as well. Yeah, you will stay informed. So let's take a look at the overall chart here for Litecoin. I mean, this is an absolute critical chart, sort of long-term, with like long-term targets in the area of around $823 last, really long term. And the idea is that here on this chart, we are now in this larger degree third wave. Sort of the area around $22 needs to hold. I mean, the price is way higher than that, but that is on the long-term chart, a very clear invalidation point. I mean, below that level, there is nothing bullish left. Obviously, there will be warnings on the smaller time frame first. Well, this is just really the bigger picture. And one of the key levels that really needs to be broken on the long-term chart here is the $414 level, because that's the swing high of wave one, the 2021 high. This is a formal confirmation that this third wave rally is unfolding. We already assume it is unfolding, but obviously the smaller time frame needs to confirm that. Here on the larger time frame, this is just an absolute key level that obviously needs to be broken to unlock prices in that $823 area. That doesn't mean that a breakout is the best time to buy, because by that time we get there or break above it, the price would have already, well, rallied a lot. So that is important to understand. It's about understanding that third wave is the strongest wave typically. So we might be in the process of starting that, and the price is also leaving our long-term accumulation area that was highlighted here as a blue box on the long-term chart. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here the market is currently moving into the, or is at least on its way into the trading area I talked about for this potential 1-2 setup with support between $61 and $87. The Fibonacci levels that we have assigned here as ideal targets are between the 61.8 retracement and the 88.7 retracement. Very common retracement levels in a wave 2. Ideally, we don't want the price break below these, especially not below the 88.7 retracement, because if that happens, most likely this so-called 1-2 setup, which is a bullish thesis, yeah, that's our assumption at the moment, well, it will most likely be invalidated. This is where probabilities start to shift below that 88.7 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, it is possible that a low is already in, but we see this as a more extended ABC structure. It's a so-called flat correction, and this so-called flat correction, is most likely still unfolding, and we could have started the C wave down, most recently the B wave top, and with a probability of 70%, we see that correction extend a little more. Now, if the price suddenly gains a lot of upside momentum, especially if the price breaks above this B wave high, it will become more and more probable that the price follows through more directly as per the alternative scenario. But yeah, that would require a little bit more evidence, especially more upside momentum, a break above the last high, and then we will probably not look for a deeper wave 2 anymore. From a risk management point of view, I think it's good to at least assume that this correction might still take a little longer, and then should the market hit this area, this could be an accumulation zone. If you do that, that's of course up to you. Don't forget about setting your stop losses. We normally recommend to set the stop maybe around about 2% below the box, maybe also 1%. That depends on your own trading strategy and risk profile, but it's important to stay safe when trading and investing. So it's very important that you gear that to your own risk profile. We can only really provide the chart analysis. So yeah, that means we have an overall bullish outlook on the Litecoin chart still. The market is just filling in this wave 2 pattern we also talked about in the last update. We might need to expect a little bit more downside move before the reversal to the upside happens. So yeah, that's the update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, about, for example, cryptocurrencies, stock, then yeah, make sure that you register on the website, and also make sure that you let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or even stocks you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.